Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates from Malik Gillani. Today we will unbox and review one of China's leading smartwatch brand, Finow. The model we are unboxing today is X5 Plus. Hello, this is Malik Gillani. You are watching Malik G Reviews. Finow X5 Plus has one of most advanced quad-core processor in its price range. Package contents are one smartwatch, one USB cable, one screen protector, one charging dock, some replacement screws are also included in the package, one screwdriver, one English user manual. The watch has a stainless steel case which is made from 316L class stainless steel. The watch strap cannot be changed as it has built-in Wi-Fi antennas. The watch strap is made by an American multinational apparel brand named Von Dutch. The watch can be charged via a charging dock which is magnetic. The crown in the middle acts just like a regular button. The upper button is a back key, crown button, home and on-off key, and the third one is sub-menu button. Inserting a SIM card is a simple task. Open all the screws from the back of the watch. Take off the lid. You'll find a cavity to insert the SIM card. Just insert your nano SIM card there and you're done. Carefully screw up the lid again to avoid any damage to the internal parts. It is not a cheap quality smartwatch, it is made from high quality materials. Battery is 450 mAh which is built in. There is no camera in this smartwatch. There are following wireless connectivity options available, which is 3G, Bluetooth, GSM and Wi-Fi. Network type is GSM plus WCDMA. It has Bluetooth 4.0. It has Android 5.1. CPU is MTK6580. It has 1GB RAM and 8GB ROM. There is no external memory card supported. It is compatible with both Android and iOS. Screen type is AMOLED. Screen size is 1.39 inches. It has 400 by 400 pixels. It comes in two color options, one in black, another in silver. Swiping from up reveals the updates or notifications. Swiping from the bottom reveals date, battery percentage, and all the wireless connectivity options. It also shows weather updates, which updates via GPS. Swiping from the right of the screen reveals the menu and installed applications. There are a variety of customized watch dials. Some are pre-installed and some can be downloaded. In the settings menu, you can change or control all the options shown on the screen, like display, screen interface, or wallpaper clock. In sound control, you can control all the volumes of music, videos, ringtones, notifications, and alarm clock. You can also turn on and off the vibration. In power saving menu, you can palming bright screen, which works when you turn your wrist. Or turn off the screen automatically. More settings include battery percentage, language as an input, and security, in which you can set a PIN code to access your smartwatch. Call settings, message settings, and equipment information are also included in the More settings option. This watch also works as a standalone smartphone. You can make calls or send text messages from this watch. It has a built-in heart rate monitor. It has a new fitness app which records your daily activities, steps, distance, and calories. Watch Helper application is used to connect your smartphone with your smartwatch. Use the shown procedure to get notifications of your smartphone on your smartwatch. The watch connects to your phone via Bluetooth. It shows all the notifications such as incoming SMS, phone calls, missed calls, or any other notification that comes on your smartphone. It has a fully functional music player. It has no built-in radio, but app can be installed to listen to the radio channels. You can also check your emails and reply through your smartwatch. YouTube also works flawlessly on Finow X5 Plus. Popular media player MX Player can also be used flawlessly on this smartwatch to watch movies. Sound recorder can be used to record any sound notes, a full whole month calendar, a file manager to manage your files. It shows the space used and available. A barometer, stock browser to browse internet. It has its own made app store which has some selection of apps. But you can also download other applications via Play Store. It also features Google Voice Assistant. And a pre-installed Google browser. Google Maps can also be used on this smartwatch flawlessly. Some connectivity options such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, data, airplane mode, brightness, screen interface, battery power saving, and GPS. All those who cannot afford fancy watches of known brands such as Galaxy or Huawei, this is the perfect alternate to those watches. The price of this smartwatch is $50, which is a bargain. Keep visiting this channel for more reviews and updates.